Good evening, everyone. My name is Shekinah Williams, and I am one of your classmates during this course. Let me just say I look forward to working with everyone as we get through this class, and hopefully it would be a lot of fun. So, I have been in the field of social work for a little over 9 years now. My undergrad degree is in criminal justice. I was actually looking to become a lawyer, but life took a different path for me, which I am very pleased about. So currently, I am a care manager for a nonprofit organization in New Jersey, um, in which we service youth and families, youth up to the age of 21. I work with the developmentally delayed population, substance use, foster care system, ACS, or as we know it now in New Jersey, DCP&P. We work very closely with the legal department in Jersey as well. Um, and what we do with our families are provide them with in-home support, therapeutic support from our providers. We also provide linkage to community resources. If some of our families need food or housing assistance, we can assist them with finding the appropriate resources for those. We also work with youth that have behavioral challenges and making sure that they're able to sustain themselves in the home. So, yeah, that's what I do. In terms of clinical, I think one of the challenges that I might face is that my job currently does not have any type of clinical hours. As the agency develops, we're looking to have those things happen more and more. So hopefully in the near future, they have clinical hours available for us. But with my job, I also do work very closely with licensed social workers, licensed clinical social workers, and they give me a lot of insight in regards to what to look forward, what to look forward to when working with my population in terms of like a more clinical approach. So I do have a lot of resources and support that I can rely on as I go through this course and get more clinical. So I do look forward to that. And I also look forward to, like I said, working with you guys and really picking at each other's brains and reading each other's information. So good luck, everyone. Thank you.